guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is a very exciting video. Why? Because you guys know that I've been doing a lot of sale alerts on my channel. Pehle karti thi, now I've started doing that because a lot of you did ask me to actually continue with the tradition of doing sale alerts because it really helps you out. So today's video is going to be about Daniel Wellington, and this is a sale video with a little bit of a twist. The twist is that I will also be showing you guys what to actually buy because I have a lot of Daniel Wellington products. You guys know that I love Daniel Wellington for my watches, for bracelets and necklace. I love their dainty pieces because they're so versatile, very classic, minimal, but you know, timeless pieces. So I absolutely love those pieces. I mean, that is my style. Minimal yet classy, and something that actually goes with everything. And the best part, that this is going to be an absolutely amazing present for your loved one. And also the Shadi season is on, so if you feel like that you want to give somebody a nice gift, probably this would be your time. So I'm gonna just tell you what Daniel Wellington is actually offering during this Black Friday sale. So this time around they have craziest offers on Daniel Wellington. You can shop your favorite items and get up to 50% off, and with my coupon code, which is SANAK15, you can get additional 15% off, which in my opinion is actually a magnificent deal. So do not waste this opportunity if like me you love watches, and if like me you like those kind of trendy pieces that are timeless and that go with everything, probably this is your time. So up to 50% off, guys, that is something. So let me just quickly get started with the video. I want to talk about my first most favorite item. This is one such watch which will actually go with everything, and if you want to give this watch as a present to somebody, probably they will love you forever because this is such an amazing watch. So this watch that I'm wearing right now is actually Iconic Link Lumine watch. It has a dial of 32 mm and it is beautiful because it has two shades. There's, you know, golden with a mix of silver, and it is a very beautiful, you know, very bright, shiny, classic watch. Plus it also has really beautiful Swarovski crystals in this one. That makes this watch an absolute must during the Shadi season because it just adds a little bit of a jazz along with the simplicity that this watch actually carries. So this is my most favorite watch from Daniel Wellington. I have a complete playlist of Daniel Wellington videos, so if you want to kind of have a review of their products, you can definitely go ahead and check out my playlist. I'm going to leave a link, an iCard over here. You can click on that and you can watch, you know, different watches and my review on those watches. But for now, this is my absolute, not for now, but I think forever, this is my absolute favorite watch, and this is a style that I think that never goes out of fashion. So this watch is an absolute must. Just make sure that you make the most of the sale so that you can get this watch, because you know sometimes this watch is also out of stock. The next watch that I absolutely love is this watch. This is my first purchase from Daniel Wellington, and oh my god, have I not mentioned this already that this is my most favorite watch ever. But this is a classic watch. This watch is actually called as Iconic Link watch. This again is a 32 mm dial. It's a beautiful rose gold color stainless steel watch, and this is a must. I mean, if you want to keep just one watch, this should be the one, because this will not only be one such watch that you can wear for your office or college, you can also wear it for functions, occasions, daily wear, anything. I've been wearing this watch from I think 2 years now, and this has served me so well. It has no wear tear marks, nothing of that sort, no scratches, nothing. It looks absolutely as good as new. So I would highly recommend this watch and this watch. I mean, you can get either or you can get both, of course, but these are amazing watches, such good quality watches, and I am so much in love with this one. I have done a full-blown review on both of these watches. If you want to have a full-blown review on these watches, I'll leave the link of those videos as well in the description box below. Next and the last thing, which is my absolute favorite from Daniel Wellington, is this beautiful necklace. And this is the reason I'm not wearing a necklace right now, is because I wanted to wear this. This necklace is actually called as Elan Unity necklace. You want to give someone something which is timeless and that reminds them of the perfect bonding or the relationship or the unity that you guys share. Probably this is the one you can go for. This is the reason probably they have called it as Elan Unity necklace, and I am in love with this one because of course it looks very dainty, very minimal, but at the same time, let me tell you, it's very sturdy. I've been wearing it from a long time, and I think most of you who watch this channel know about this. So it has held really well. I have worn it for days, you know, without actually taking it off, and it is just a beautiful necklace. It goes with everything. If you are wearing a festive attire or if you're wearing a casual simple white shirt or a simple t-shirt, this just goes with everything. So accessory wise, you're sorted with Daniel Wellington products. I would highly recommend this necklace to make as a present to somebody or for yourself, because it's a beautiful necklace and you will not go wrong with this one. So guys, those were 3 of my most favorite items from Daniel Wellington. So during this Black Friday sale, Daniel Wellington is actually offering up to 50% off on Daniel Wellington products, and with my coupon code on the screen, which is SanaK15, you can get additional 15% off on your purchase. Make the most of this sale and buy your favorite Daniel Wellington products for yourself, for your loved ones, and enjoy this season of celebration. So thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, do let me know which is your favorite item from Daniel Wellington. You can leave a link of it in the comment section below. I would absolutely love to check that out, probably for my next video. And yes, all the links of the products will be given in the description box below, so you can definitely check the description box out for more details and direct link to the products. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye guys. Bye.